guys, we are here na in the airport of Maldives. So this is our, what's this? Pick-up taxi. Then we ride a boat going to our villa. See you Maldives. See you Maldives. We are here na in the Maldives. Yes, this is our boat. Gorgeous color. So we travel, guys, 25 minutes going to the villa that we stay. We are here, guys, in the boat. Welcome here. Welcome to Puri-Paru. Hi. Good evening. So this is na our villa, guys. Welcome here. So this is it. Good morning. Good morning, good evening. Wow. Happy honeymoon. Happy honeymoon, Kitty Pie. Yeah. Oh, God, thank you so much. Yeah, you can see in the beach there. Oh! Some drinks, Kitty Pie. Cheers. Cheers. Shout out! Thank you for this. Mayroon kami complimentary sa aming with this one. Churras. Baby is a churras. It's a red wine.
That's good for you.
Fruits. See? Oh my God. Huh?
Puri-Paru.
For our complimentary here because we are doing for our honeymoon. See guys, it's a leaves. Thank you so much. We have also free the wine, the fruits, what's this? Jack? What's that name?
Shiraz
from Australia. Yes, it's red wine. That's only good for me. Kitty Pie don't like that one. Cheers! Woo! Kitty Pie, give me the
signature. The room is 35.
Tonight pala. Dinner for tonight.
Big party!
Big party. Hi! Shout out from my vlog. It's a big party daw, guys. Morning, guys! So, for today's video, guys, kakain muna kami sa aming breakfast. Yes. And then, kukuha din kami ng complimentary bike para magbabike kami. Actually, may ano kami, free na baggy. But, it's okay. But Kitipay want to walk. Actually, it's only 10 minutes. Mag-walk din kami para to explore the, what's this? The beach. So we are going to our breakfast, guys, and then we explore here. This is our first day. Actually, yesterday night we reached. Kaso, pagod na pagod kami, kaya hindi nakagala sa gabi. We will try in the night. See, it's a white sun actually, Kitipay. What's this? Cameras mo. Swimming and snorkeling role. Are you sure this is our restaurant?
You need to check the map. Maybe go to the Edge. The restaurant name is Edge.
Yeah, that's for me. Yeah, hot chocolate. So this is our breakfast here, guys. It's nice, the surroundings, especially their foods. Oh my God. Parang lahat ng need ko nandito sa breakfast nila eh. Oh, see? Yeah. This is the one. The plain croissant. See, this is, if you like this one. See the fruits? Fancy. Vegetarian fried noodle. Chicken egg. Vegetarian egg omelette. This is for the egg. And we have chicken fried rice. Oh, this is the best. I order one. Seafood noodles. Oh, diba? So yes, this is our breakfast. Super yummy breakfast. I think I'm contented because of the rice. The chicken rice. Yes. So this is our Villa look likes, guys. Huh? Yeah, we are not closing the door. And this is the refrigerator here. So look at the fruits, guys. Yeah, I can make for coffee. See? This is for coffee. And this is the biscuits here. See? And this is the one, the refrigerator here inside. Oh my God. Pick what you want. Alright. So this is our third day here, guys, in Maldives. See, Kitipay. This is our villa look like, guys. The TV there. A mirror and our cover here for the dress. Yes. the bathroom, the perfect bathtub with this one view. This is going to the beach, guys. We have also door here, yeah. And this is our bathroom. Look like this. See? And this is all our hair for the toothbrush or any dental kit, yeah. That's so amazing, the place actually. And this is for the shower before you go to the beach. Yes. So you can open here, guys. Going to the beach. Yes, like this. And see here. See, our villa is look like this. Yeah. And see Kitty Pie is there. The window is so amazing. Yes, and we have here pa, guys. This one. For these two. Yeah, and to putting our dry clothes, wet clothes there. See. And this is the. Yes. This is from here, going here. But we can close also like this one, guys. If you close this one, and then if you don't want to see the view, you can sit down this curtain, yeah, like this. Fold down if you don't want to see it all. Yes, yeah, like that. And if you go outside, guys, see, this is our, what's this? Please make up my room. See, and this is look like, guys, see. So this is our complimentary bicycle. We can use this one to turning all around this island. And this going to the pool bar. And then for the breakfast, and we have a baggy. So actually, guys, in every room we have one baggy to call. So sa amin lang yan siya magse-service until we check out. Yes. And then pag na-decide namin ni Kitty Pie na mag-bicycle na lang para ma-enjoy kami, or sometimes we just go walking, more in walking. Kasi ang hirap mag-bicycle, guys, ang haba, iba yung ano niya dito. Yeah. See? So sa gabi, guys, grabe ang tahimik dito, guys. As in, talagang pang ano talaga siya. Pang honeymoon ang dating. Yeah, sana all honeymoon. O, diba? Tapos, look up there, garbage, guys. It's so unique. And there, this is complimentary of water. Yeah, and look up, guys. The more good thing is they have speaker Bluetooth JBL. Shout out to the JBL Bluetooth. It's very unique and native, the design. So if you're coming here, very relaxing like that. So, habang nagmuni-muni kayong dalawa, habang naglaving-laving. Then if you take swim, see, we can see you there, right? This is inside our room. You see. So perfect, guys. Grabe ang ganda. So that's all for our room tour here in Grand Park, Maldives Island. So hope you enjoy, guys. At sa mga sa nagtatanong pala, guys, to coming here in Maldives, walang ibang requirements kundi yung passport mo. Kailangan lang siya talagang less than 3 months yung expiration niya. That's it. And then you have someone to file there online. Yeah, through online. I think I forgot that's name. So you can check that in the Google only. Yes. So you will file that one for 95 days before you're coming here. Or it's okay for 2 days like that. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog.